freezing up and outside because it's getting cold. Now you talk about that you over there just freezing down. Still I'm over here to right now some people wanna know. Do you want to freeze? Ooh-wee. 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 We're not freezing up and down, I'm freezing every day. People eating ice cream, just pass it every day. When you eat it every single time, you might get a brain freeze. Still over here today to right now, and you wanna say ooh-wee, ooh-wee every time. Ooh-wee when the rhyme. People's over here, you talking about you freezing time. We're not doing a song for you, but it wants to go freeze. But still I'm over here to right now, but get up off your knees. Do you wanna freeze? Ooh-wee. 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 Now that I know that you like the cold, because you said that you just like to freeze. You said you just wanna with the flow, but you said you really want some more. Go over there when it's just really cold. People say I know I don't want more. Now you said the water getting cold. I said no, but that is just for sure. Talking about, oh, do you want to freeze? Other people up on the knees. When I say no, do you want to freeze? People say, oh yes, you want to freeze. Yes, I'm talking about you want to freeze. People say I'm over here to freeze. We not talking about that antifreeze. You over there just trying to go freeze me. Talking about, oh, do you want to freeze? People saying, oh, do you want to freeze? People freezing up on the knees, while other people over begging please. When I say, no, do you want to freeze? People say, oh yeah, well, a brain freeze. But let me go do this song for you, 'cause people doing this song is just the truth. Say no, oh, now do you want to freeze? People say no, do you want to freeze? Freezing over there, you on your knees. People say you want to go and freeze. You say you don't want to get the yeast. You say you ready to go and freeze. Freeze over there just with your family. Please don't get up on your knees. Say that, do you really want to freeze? Do you even want to go and freeze? Yes, I did a song about the freeze. Other people said they want to freeze. Do you want to go and freeze? Do you want to go and freeze with me? I'm telling you, no, it's go for me. 'Cause I said I really like to eat. Do you even want to go and freeze? Do you really want to go and freeze? Do you want to go and freeze? Please don't bring that freeze straight to me. Please don't bring that freeze straight to me. 'Cause I say I do not want to freeze. Everybody saying when to freeze. Don't I say we up on the beat? Do you really want to go and freeze? Talking about they say they want to freeze.